Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Alright, so maybe your garden's not exactly sun-kissed all day long. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today is a how-to guide for folks wanting to learn the best shaded plants, from carrots to lettuce, whether you've got bits and bobs of sun or mostly shade. Let's look at 3 winners you can grow in shade. Simple tips and varieties that actually work. Let's go. First up, lettuce. This leafy legend is honestly one of the easiest plants for shady spots. It actually prefers cooler, less sunny areas, which means sweeter leaves and less bolting. Just keep your soil moist and you'll be harvesting fresh salads in a few weeks. Perfect for salads and sandwiches. Number 2, carrots. I know you'd think they need loads of sun, but carrots can do well with just a few hours of light. Pick shorter varieties like Paris Market for shady spots. The trick is to keep your soil nice and loose. They'll take a bit longer in shade, but trust me, you'll love the taste. And finally, spinach, another leafy champ. Spinach actually hates hot, direct sun, so partial shade is perfect. Sow your seeds, water regularly, and you'll have lush greens for smoothies or stir-fries before you know it. Quick, tasty, and shade-friendly. So, don't let a shady garden stop you from growing your own food. Lettuce, carrots, spinach are all winners, and you don't need full sun to get a great harvest. Easy salads, fresh snacks, homegrown goodness. Small spaces, big flavor. Start small and grow from there. Tells us what you think in the comments. And like and subscribe, share your shade tips below. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Albert, and I'll see you in the garden. Happy planting. Catch you next time.